Alright, what up, man? So look, Alexander Fresco here, Visuals AF is in the building as always, and today we're gonna be doing some more self-portraits, and we're gonna do it with the Canon EOS R like we always do. And today, gonna keep it the same. We're gonna rock it with that 35mm lens, you know what I'm saying? So our settings today is gonna be ISO 100. We're gonna be at 5.6 f-stop, and also at our shutter speed, we're gonna be at 1/320. So yeah, let's go ahead and make it do what it do. Let's get it rocking. You feel me? Yeah. And today we're just gonna make it rock with the flash against the wall, just the chain gang and whatnot. But yeah, that's how we rock it. Just simple, 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 simple. Appreciate y'all for always rocking with me, sticking with me, showing me all the support, showing me all the love. It's always love. I appreciate it. Visuals AF is in the building. And yeah, we out. We lit. We gonna always make it do what it do, baby. But yeah, I appreciate y'all.
Visuals as